Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be doing something a bit different. Today, I'll be doing a reaction video, and I will be reacting to one of the breakout YouTube shows of 2024. And this show is called Pop the Balloon and Find Love. It's a dating show. And in today's video, I'm going to be reacting to what happened when a Jamaican girl shows up on this dating show. So this is what I'm going to be reacting today. Pop the Balloon and Find Love. Jamaican girl takes over this dating show. Let's get into it.
So we do have 5 remaining ladies. Go ahead and ask them a question to help you narrow it down.
In a society that I would say glorifies extrinsic values such as wealth and social status, what would be an intrinsic value that is important to you?
Intrinsic.
Let's start here. Name and age.
Hey, my name's Shalane. I am 32 years old.
And Shalane, what do you do?
I am an office manager for like a really big company, and I also model part-time to supplement that income.
All right. So if you want to go ahead and just answer his question.
I'm thinking empathy maybe would be a good answer. Like, I kind of forgot the question.
You want me to repeat it for you?
Yes, please.
Yeah, so what would be an intrinsic value that is important to you?
Okay, yeah, so my answer stands. It would be empathy. I think navigating this society, this world with empathy is super important because it allows you to like understand people and just you're able to kind of relate to people more and just have more compassion towards people. And I think having compassion towards your fellow humans is super important. So that's something I put high value on.
I appreciate your answer.
So as you can see from that first clip, there's a group of young ladies lined up. A gentleman comes out and he presents himself to them. And if the girls are okay with what they see, they keep the balloon. If not, they'll pop their balloon. And in this first clip, what you can see, the main feature of this video is the Jamaican girl. So the first girl with the low haircut, she is what I'm featuring on this video today. And as you can see, the accent, the Jamaican accent, a lot of people in North America, they are fascinated by different accents. And that is one of the things that attract them when looking for a relationship in North America. So the first thing that stood out is, the Jamaican accent coming out in her speaking English and her Jamaican accent just overpowering our conversation. And she's a very beautiful young lady and you can see the interaction. So we'll continue and see what happened next.
Hey, so we've got 5 ladies left. Go ahead and ask them a question.
All right. So if I was, let's just say I'm in a barbershop and your ex come in there and he was talking about you or his time with you or describing you, what's some of the things I probably would hear?
So basically, how would your ex describe
like
you?
if he was over, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Name and age first and answer this question.
Sure. My name's Shalane. I am 32 years old. My ex would describe me as a very affectionate person. I also love like doing surprises. So like if it's a birthday or like any special date in our life and our relationship, I love to like plan things. I'm a very neat and clean person, and I'm low-key a control freak, so I like to know what's going on at all times. So he'd probably mention that as well.
Thank you. Let's head back this way. So we did get a pop over here. Why'd you end up popping your balloon?
Honestly, I don't think that you're a bad-looking guy, but like the more I looked at him, I just wasn't attracted. I'm sorry.
It's cool.
Okay, so what was it?
I don't know, because his height's good, his face is okay. I just feel like if he approached me when we were out, I wouldn't really be interested.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, is she someone that's your type?
I probably wouldn't approach her either.
Okay.
She's not a ugly woman or nothing, but I probably wouldn't approach her either.
Okay, and why not?
I mean, just, it wouldn't make me say, let me go talk to her. Like, just looking at her wouldn't make me say, I'm finna go approach her. Like, nothing about her stick out to me and make me like, oh, I'm gonna talk to her.
Okay. Fair enough.
All right.
Yes, so for the 2 first guys, obviously she was not feeling them, so she ended up popping that balloon for whatever reason, not her type. But it gets very interesting going forward, so just keep watching. Pop the Balloon or Find Love. What happened when a Jamaican girl show up?
Okay, let's bring out our next single guy. Hello, welcome in. What's your name?
James.
James?
Yes.
James, how old are you?
I'm 34.
Okay, and what do you do?
I'm a recent law school graduate, and I also do a little bit of commentary work, legal and political.
All right, nice. So what do you like to do for fun?
I like to go on vacation. I like to just hang out with friends and family. I like to do a lot of humanitarian work. I do a lot
Nice.
of work with the homeless, a lot of work with at-risk youth. And I just like to watch like crime stories, keep up with legal stories in the
Okay.
news. Yes.
All right, lawyer. Almost though, right? Almost. Okay,
Almost.
congrats on graduating.
Thank you.
Now, what do you look for in a woman?
I like someone who is very family oriented.
Okay.
Someone who's going to put family above career. I like someone who likes to go to church and values a relationship with God. I like someone. Okay. I like someone who maybe just is into the things that I like to do, into like helping homeless people, into
Nice.
at-risk youth. Someone who's naturally nice, just a naturally kind person.
like that.
It's not forced. Someone who's nice to the waitress, but it's also nice to the CEO of the company.
Okay, all right, that's a good one. Now, what are some of your deal breakers?
I don't like someone who is just unreliable, says one thing, does another. Someone who doesn't value a relationship with God. Someone who is just has no direction in life, you
Yeah.
know. So yeah,
Okay.
that would be the top three.
All right, so we did get some pop balloons. Let's go on over to see why they ended up popping. Your name and age.
Hi, my name's Shalane. I am 32 years old.
Okay. Shalane, why'd you end up popping your balloon?
You said that you want somebody that values a relationship with God and that like goes to church. I am not religious. I don't go to church. I grew up religious, but I don't practice a religion right now. And yeah, that just wouldn't align with like my life basically. I love your jacket though. It's
Thank
fire.
you. So are you atheist?
Honestly, I'm halfway between atheist and agnostic. I'm still trying to figure it out, but I know for a fact like I'm just not Christian right now.
Right. And the thing is, I've dated atheists before in the past, and really nice people, you know. But I would say at this age where I actually am marriage minded, someone that I want to bear my children, I would say I want someone.
Equally yoked.
Yes, someone equally yoked as well. You
No,
know.
I got you and I respect it. So that's the only reason I popped.
But I'm friends with atheists, and you know, I think they're good people.
Everybody has some good in them.
Yeah.
All right, now is she someone that's your type?
Very pretty, very attractive, very nice feet. That's actually something that's that I look at as well. And I think the haircut looks really good on her.
Oh, thank you.
So I mean, very, very attractive person for sure.
I
Love the
appreciate-
accent too. Where you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, I've been here a while, but the accent is still there.
Yeah.
nowhere.
No, it's
Right.
not. I appreciate that. I think you're pretty attractive as well, if
Oh,
that
thank
counts
you.
for anything.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, so as I said, this is where it got interesting because this is showing you the state of dating in North America, and it's pretty much the same thing right across the Caribbean. The level, because this young man is about to be a lawyer, like he's well put together, and he's looking for a woman of God. And Joe's criterias, girls were just popping. And it is kind of crazy that for like, you would think that in 2024, 2025, a man presenting himself and saying, you know what, I'm looking for a woman that loves God and goes to church and stuff like that, that would be like a good criteria. But a lot of the women were popping. And as I said, we're focusing on the Jamaican girl in this situation, and that, you know, she's an atheist. And I never thought that I would live to see, like, I know it's kind of crazy, but for in the Caribbean, in Jamaica, they're very big on Christianity, very big on church. And as she stated, that she was someone that grew up in the church and was big in the church, but at a stage in her life now where she consider herself atheist or agnostic, and she's popping her balloon because this man is looking for someone that is looking for a woman that loves God and wants to have a relationship with God. So that stuck out to me like a sore thumb. So guys, let me know what you think about this part of the video, and we're going to continue, and it gets more interesting after this. Let's continue.
Go ahead and ask these two remaining ladies your last question.
To big things that are important for me are like being able to keep like a clean space and being able to like take care of yourself in a household setting. A lot of people, they get to a really big age and they don't know how to take care of their house. They don't know how to cook. They don't know how to clean. They don't know how to exercise. They don't know how to eat right.
Okay.
And like, so I'm just making sure that at this age you have like good self-regulation. So what are your best traits in a relationship that you would say? What do you bring to, like if y'all are living together, what are the best things that you bring to that situation?
Okay.
I love this question.
Bet.
I'm a minimalist.
Okay.
So like if you go
Me
to my
too.
apartment right now, you'd think it's like an Airbnb the way
Exactly.
it's
Yeah.
everything has a space. I'm not exaggerating.
I know, I
I'm,
dig it. I
I'm a
believe
clean
it.
freak. I will say that one of my downfalls is that I don't really cook.
Crazy.
Yeah, so I kind of like low maintenance meals. So
Okay.
like the eggs, the salmon, the salads, the fruits.
Just on rotation.
Things that are not like super hard to cook. I'm not the best cook. I hate cooking. It hates me.
You
Whatever.
hate it?
It hates me back. So we're even.
That's wild. Okay.
But I'm a very clean person. I take
okay.
pride in my appearance. And
That
I'm
is
not,
important too.
Exactly. You know, the
Yeah.
way you present yourself to the world.
Yeah.
And I'm not against learning to cook. I will cook with my partner.
Okay.
I just need my partner to know coming in like I'm not the best
Ooh,
cook.
all right.
But everything else, I got it.
Long as I know that.
You
Long as
know?
that's okay.
Yeah. Cleanliness is very important to me though. So I love that you asked that.
Of course.
Very important.
It is very important.
It's gone down here. All right, let's hear from you over here.
So I love to keep a clean space as well. I like spaces that smell good. It feels good.
Yeah.
That says a lot about how you feel about yourself.
Yeah.
What else? I like balance. I don't like too much going on in my
Okay.
place. I don't like uninvited guests. I'm not saying,
Okay.
you know,
No, I get you. Like if we ain't tell you to come over, what you here for?
yeah, like
No,
I
for
love
sure.
you, but like,
Get out. Yeah.
what you got in the fridge?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay?
No, I pay for this. Get out.
Exactly. So, but I'm all about balance as well. I don't
Okay.
want to be carrying the burden of a lot of the chores.
That's why I asked. Yeah.
Say if you cook, I'm washing the dishes, or
Okay.
vice versa.
Okay.
I'm washing the clothes, or you're vacuuming. It's all about a balance. For me.
Okay.
Yeah.
What can you cook?
Yeah.
That's what-
I would say if you put me against your grandma with the big arms,
No. I'm
she's
putting
like
you
a
against
10.
me.
I'm a 7.5.
No, I'm putting you against me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What's
No.
your favorite thing to cook?
You know what? Honestly, Italian is very easy, but I like a lot of Asian dishes as well.
Okay.
And then you can't never go wrong with some good soul food if it's your staples.
Exactly. And then you incorporate like different ingredients.
Exactly. I always like to make something new every time just to have fun with.
Yeah.
Like I have fun cooking. So.
Okay. Oh,
Oh.
Jesus. Let's head back.
I self-eliminated because the whole cooking thing.
Yeah.
She's down there like I'm sorry. I can't cook, and I feel like you would have picked.
I'm down with the ability to learn.
You were down to learn. Why'd you eliminate yourself?
It's
Should
all
I
right.
get my balloon back? Do you want me to get it
I
back?
can't tell you that. You got to be organic. It's
to
got to be
you.
authentic. So
Can I get my balloon back?
Okay. Let's get a balloon back.
I just.
crazy.
I'll let you make the choice.
She
then.
crashed out,
Yeah.
didn't she?
I'm like I can't cook.
That's all
Most
right.
guys want somebody who can cook like really well.
No, I just don't want us to be in a relationship where years down the line I'm still doing all of the cooking, and if you're doing the cooking, it's
No,
the
absolutely.
same she was doing when we first got.
No,
in
I
this.
believe in balance. I believe in
Okay.
growth, learning new things, learning
Cool.
new recipes together.
It's cool. I don't expect
Okay.
nobody to be perfect.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So, ladies, any questions for Ja? Okay, go ahead.
I have two actually.
Okay.
Part one, how do you feel about religion? And I asked because I'm not religious. And then part two, how do you feel about kids? I asked because I want to be married, but I don't want children.
Okay. I'm going to get to the most pertinent question first. I do want children. I am big on...
No.
I knew that was going to be the
Get outta
thing. No, I definitely, one of the biggest things in my life that I look forward to and that I built for is my family, my legacy, my my home. So
I understand.
I get
have
that too.
that much. Like I love children. I have
Yeah.
like 3 godkids, a niece. I
Yeah.
love them, but having my own that maternal instinct, it's not there for me.
I feel it.
But I do want to be married.
I feel that. No, for sure. Of course. Yeah. Okay.
Sorry.
No, I'm glad you was honest. You don't have to apologize for anything. Thank you.
Let's head down over there.
Okay, so Pop the Balloon was like a 2024 breakout hit on YouTube. And this is one of my guilty pleasures. It's been one of my guilty pleasure for 2024. But what is interesting about this, it's like a dating show, but it pretty much shows you the state of dating today. And it is just so complicated, and it's just night and day compared to what dating was a few years ago or some 10, 20 years ago. Because, and what it's, you learn a lot from watching this show too, because what I'm seeing is that even the culture, it's like just one North American culture, because everything I expect from a Caribbean woman, like it's a bit different. You see, like there's no difference between Caribbean and American or North American woman in general, because first, like you don't expect like a woman from Jamaica to be a atheist. You don't expect that. You expect that she can cook, because like it's this thing where like every Jamaican can cook, but she's an atheist. She can't cook. She don't want kids, and it is just crazy. So, guys, sound off in the comment section and let me know if you have ever watched Pop the Balloon and Find Love, and what do you think about it? What do you think about the state of dating in 2024, 2025? Are you happy? Like if you're married and if you don't have to be out there dating, are you happy? And how do you feel about young men and young women that are dating now? Who is it more difficult for? Is it more difficult for men or women? Because as you can see from this lineup, there were some guys that pretty much like eligible bachelor, but a lot of them were being rejected. You know, guys that would not be rejected like 20 years ago, women are rejecting them in 2024, 2025. So it's tough out there. It's a jungle out there for dating. So guys, sound off in the comment section. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.